At CDG Inspection, we are the trusted global leaders in N581-5 to 2017 compliance testing. It's the European standard ensuring folding and reclining mechanisms of outdoor furniture meet safety, durability, and performance criteria. Ensuring compliance with N581-5 to 2017 protects your customers and your brand from safety risks. With years of experience, our state-of-the-art labs and highly skilled professionals make CDG Inspection your ideal testing partner. We offer comprehensive tests, including durability, strength, stability, and folding mechanism evaluations. Our cutting-edge equipment ensures every test is precise, reliable, and efficient. We simulate real-world usage to evaluate performance under practical conditions. Our focus is on delivering rigorous safety standards for your products. Manufacturers, retailers, and importers can trust us for unparalleled testing and certification. Our efficient process delivers quick results without compromising quality. We help you meet the necessary certification requirements for your products to enter global markets. Our clients' success speaks volumes about the quality of our services. Visit our website, www.cdginspection.com, to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection serves clients worldwide. Wherever you are, we are here to support you. Choose CDG Inspection for your N581-5 to 2017 testing needs. With us, safety and quality are always assured.